Good day, community. Our character trait for today is service. What does it mean to be of service? Being of service means that when I see someone in need, I stop to help out. It may be small, but it's a part of kindness, no doubt. Where can you find this character trait? This character trait is found in Colossians chapter 3, verse 23. Whatever you do, work as though you were doing it for the Lord. This character trait is shown in a story about a woman going to battle. Now, let me tell you the story. The people came to Deborah with their problems. She stole my goat, but he took my cat. Deborah helped them find solutions. She also served those in need. A mother carried a heavy load. Here, let me take those water jugs for you. An elderly, an, an elderly, an, an elderly man limped along. Come, you can ride on my donkey. One day there was trouble. Enemies were attacking the Israelites, taking their food and animals. God chose Deborah to help lead the Israel army. Deborah thought about it. Women don't usually do this sort of thing, but I would gladly serve God's people. With God's help, the victory was won, and they all sang a song of praise. That's the end of our story. Can kids like us be of service? Of course we can. We can do it in our daily lives. First, when we see someone in need, like your grandparents are trying to stand up, help them in any possible way you can. Lastly, do your chores to help the family members with the work. Yan, yan, yan. Lastly, do your chores to help your family members with the work. Again, the character trait for today is service. And also a reminder, when you notice, even if they don't tell you, your parents need help with something, try to help them in any way you can. Have a wonderful day. Shalom.